Hello everyone, I am Christina Joseph, a data science and business analytics intern at the Sparks Foundation. So this is my fourth task, which is exploratory data analysis on dataset global terrorism. We will go through the problem statement first. So in this data analysis task, as a security or defense analyst, we need to predict the danger zone of terrorism together with all the security issues and insights of data. We will implement this exploratory data analysis problem on the given dataset, global terrorism. So here is the link for that. In general, exploratory data analysis is an approach to analyze the datasets to summarize their main characteristics, often with visual methods. Basically, it focuses more on what the data can tell beyond the formal modeling. So let's initialize the process. Firstly, let's have a look on the dataset. So we are provided with an extensive amount of data, as we can see. Well, it consists of all the detailed attributes of the global terrorism. So now let's visualize the data more logically on the Tableau platform. To check our data set, we will simply click on the data source here at the bottom left corner. Well, it will take few seconds. And here it is. So as we can see, this is the same dataset we looked at a few seconds back. Observation 1, country versus terrorism. So we will observe here which country is more affected by terrorism. The darker the color, the more impact of terrorism it has and gradually decreases with the reduction of color shades. So here we can clearly visualize that Iran has the highest rate of terrorism, that is 24,636, and Afghanistan, Pakistan and India are also highly affected by terrorism. Second observation is one country versus terrorism. So now we will try to visualize the terrorism with respect to one country along with its cities. For instance, we will choose India. At the right corner, list of all the cities represented by different colors are specified. So it makes the visualization more easy. For example, let's see Amarpatan has been affected by terrorism one time, and let's see other city. Kanker has been affected by terrorism 7 times, and so on. So our third observation is year versus terrorism. Here we can see the least amount of attack happened between the year 1970 and 1975. Then it gradually increased. In 1998, there was a fall in the ratio. After 2011, it skyrocketed and reached at peaks in 2014. Then we can see a slight reduction in total number of attacks. Now next we will observe the numerous kinds of data like bombing, explosion, assassination, hijacking, etc. In attack type 1, the maximum is of bombing and explosion, whereas hijacking is the least type of attack. In type 2, also hijacking is the, well, it's have some error. Yes. So in type 2 also, hijacking constitutes smaller proportion, while armed assault is the highest. On the flip side, there is no unknown kind of attack. Next is different types of target. So here we can see private citizens and properties were targeted significantly by the terrorist. Transportation was the second targeted type, while abortion related target was the least. So let's see the dashboard I have created. Well, it's taking longer time. Yes. So this is the dashboard I have created consisting of all the observations. Well, it is an interactive dashboard. So when we click on any year like 2014, we can see that it is showing in what all areas terrorist attack took place and the type of attack and what all places were the target in that particular year. Similarly, we can select any year for which we want to perform the analysis on different basis. So for 2011, these are the analysis. So this is how exploratory data analysis on a dashboard works. Thank you.